Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Loch is my name. Today's topic is this: the truths about investing. The truths about investing. This is one sad truth. Investing is very risky. Investing is very risky. If you're not careful, you will lose your money. And people have lost money in the name of investing. People lost money in Desi. Guys, as a pyramid scheme, guys were investing money there. Guys, people lost money in Clip. People lost money in Gakuyo. People lost money in Amazon Web Worker. People lost money in Crowd One. People lost money. People have lost money in many ventures. Even in some cryptos. There are some South Africans who are selling cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. And the guys disappeared with nearly 2 billion worth of Bitcoin. $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. And even in the stock market, people have lost money. Those who invested in Mumias, they lost money. Those who invested in Uchumi, they lost money. Those who invested in Kenya Power, they lost money. By the way, Kenya Power in the year 2005, Kenya Power was 205 shillings. Today, Kenya Power ni Bob. Shilingi. Selling a shell. People have lost money. Investing is very risky. That is one truth you need to know. And so then, if investing is very risky, does it mean people have lost money and nobody has made profit? The truth is, people make profits. People make profits daily, every week, every month. And those who have been on this channel and those who are on my Telegram channel, they know this. We have been able to make 10% return per month, every month, for 7 months. I started this thing in January 2021. We are now in July 2021. And for 7 months straight, we've been able to make money. This month, the month of July, I told guys buy Diamond Trust Bank at 60. Diamond Trust Bank, guess what? It went up to 69. Giving you very good profits. Last month, I told guys buy Absa. Absa was 8 shillings and 70 cents. Absa went to 10.20, giving again very good profits. The previous month, that is May, I told guys buy Safaricom. Safaricom was 36. Safaricom went up to 40, giving guys very good months, very good results. In April, I told guys buy Nation Media Group. It was 17 shillings. It went up to 25, giving guys a return of about 40%. The stock market is a money machine. It can make us all millionaires. And that's my aim. I want us all to have money. I want us all to be rich. I want us all to be wealthy. I don't want anybody struggling. We can all be rich. Jesus came to give us life and life in abundance, that we should not suffer. I'm borrowing the wisdom of Jack Bernstein. Hot stock market strategies. Hot. Not cold. Hot. Hot. Hot stock market strategies. This is what he says. For you to succeed in the stock market, and one of the universal truths you need to know is you need to remove emotions from stock market trading. You need to have discipline and you need to have objectivity. Let me read for you. The ultimate and underlying reality of all that is contained in this book and any other book that has been written about investing is that no matter what strategy you use, and there are so many strategies, No matter what method, no matter what system, no matter what computer program, the technology, no matter the methodology you use, none of them will make you money consistently unless you are able to use them with discipline and you are able to use objectivity and lack of emotion. That is it. That is the bottom line. That is the major defining factor. That is how to make money consistently. Tower emotions. Remove emotions from the stock market. There are two emotions you must control, greed and fear. And that's why I came up with a rule, 10%. When you make your 14% rather, because 4% will go for the commissions and 10% is yours. When you make your 14% return, sell. Don't get excited that, oh, it's still going up. Oh, let me hold. Don't hold. Itaanza kuteremka. It will start going down. Sell. Remove emotions from the stock market. Inculcate discipline and objectivity, and you will succeed. Asanteni sana, and please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Join my Telegram link. Join my Telegram group. That is why we discuss the stock market every day, every hour, every second. Oriti, au revoir. Be blessed. Erokamano.